Hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. Sorry, it's been 5 days. I wasn't able to do a vlog, guys. I was so very busy. So right now, guys, it's 11:35. I just had my shower after Tim Hortons, guys, my second job. So I just did my shower, guys. So what happened is, yun na nga, my husband cannot remember if he took his pills because he was too busy doing his doing his home study, guys. So we're gonna wrap around our hair with cloth again, guys. My worn out sleepwear because he requested for sunny side up eggs, guys, because he needs to take the metformin, something that will not make his tummy upset or in pain. So he needs food. So guys, let's make him sunny side up eggs, okay? See, guys, freshly showered. I was supposed to cook food for tomorrow, not tonight. But since he forgot to take the pill, okay, I will cook egg for him, 3 pieces. Okay, guys, hold on a second. I'm just gonna wipe the pan that I have. We've been using this for how many days? If you want to cook egg, guys. Okay, so now it's another right time to cook egg because he wants to eat something. Okay, guys, just hold on. So yeah, I did. And by the way, guys, thank you for subscribing to our channel. Congratulations to us. I'm so grateful because from 26 subscribers, now we're at 37 supposedly, but the other subscriber got back out. I don't know why. Maybe because he or she doesn't find me interesting at all, but it's okay. That's the reality of being a blogger, right? So right now we're on 36. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, thank you for all your support, for watching and staying with me. So guys, yeah, so for tomorrow I'm gonna try waking up around 3:30 because it will take time. The mungo beans needs to be boiled so I can easily cook it before my first job, full-time job tomorrow. Okay, guys, so 1 second. I'm gonna get my cooking oil and make sure that this pan is really hot, okay, so the eggs won't stick. I'm on my sleepwear now. Oh my gosh, I should have changed it to my previous sleepwear. I feel bad. Anyways, I'm gonna just switch another because I will smell egg again before I go to bed. The eggs that have been left by the order I made from Jubita, Sister Jubita. only 3 eggs for him. I'll just give him one bread or monai in our language, in our dialect. Just gonna give that there. Thinking of something, guys. Oh, wait. I don't need this. Because I'm planning to use this for munggo tomorrow. I have chicharon, crunchy chicken, crunchy pork skin that I'm gonna put on my munggo. So I don't need this anymore. I don't need the pork belly. I'll put it back. I think all we need is we need to fry galunggong or mackerel to pair with that munggo. So I'm gonna get it from our chest freezer, guys. Okay, it's there. So guys, I changed my mind. We're gonna cook this one, tilapia. The name of the fish in Tagalog, Filipino language. I don't know the English of tilapia, guys. So there you go, guys. We're thawing the tilapia by soaking it now in hot water. Because anyway, I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow, right? So it's frozen just to make sure that it will be thawed. Thawed for tomorrow. For tomorrow, guys. Hope it's gonna... Or should I, hold on guys, or should I open the plastic and just put hot water inside it? So guys, it's perfectly cooking right. You want sunny side up. So I flip the egg. Okay, I think that's good enough. So guys, by the way, I did live earlier. Actually 2 times or 3 times. Yes. I think 3 times. One on my break at South Valley Residence, my full-time job. Second, on my break at Tim Hortons, second job. And then when I finish at work at Tim Hortons, yeah, I did live. Yeah. And guys, I want just to give you an update. The graduation of my second child, Cyrus, is this coming Saturday, guys. Oh, shit. Look at the egg, so beautiful, even if it's not really perfect, guys. So, we're gonna give him just one because it's already going 12 o'clock. So we're gonna give him this one, and then maybe give him cucumber just to neutralize the sugar. What do you think, guys? I'm just experimenting now. So guys, I have a lot of stories to tell you what happened on previous days that I did not post or I did not do any vlog. So first update after a month on my braces journey. Yeah, there's a lot of changes. And then second, this upcoming graduation on my child's big event this coming Saturday. Third, the much awaited moment if my manager will grant my vacation this coming weekend. So guys, we're done. I'm gonna get the metformin on my husband, the one he didn't know if he had taken it or not. Yes, guys. So yes, I have TikTok account, guys, and then Instagram and Facebook. So my name is Sarah, and then under Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok is SJ Green Lumanog. Okay. At YouTube, you know where you at, watching right now. It's Canada Life on Maring Sarah. Yes, thank you for your all support. And tonight I mentioned in my live that we're having a strawberry moon. Yes, and my viewers witness it, but it's not totally that the color of the strawberry. It's not really reddish because I'm just capturing the moon via video. So I was trying to get a clip earlier. Ay, that's my son. Sige na, huwag ka na maghugas. Ako na maghugas mamaya. Gigising ako. Say good night na to my fans na. Oh, he should be washing my dishes. But it's too late. What time you sleeping? 12 or 12:30? Oh, makakagising ka, ha? Sure ka? Mag-message ka. Hindi ka nag-message, ha? Okay, mag-message ka bago matulog, ha? Mag-toothbrush. Okay, guys. He's drinking milk. Kailan ma-expire yan na? 19? 13 pa. Okay. Okay. Gusto mo bang egg lutuan kita? Hindi na? Okay. Ay, puto. Ay! Ito, malalaglag pa itong niluluto ko. Ayan. Ikaw na magpatay ng light dito, nak. Bababa ka na ba agad? Okay. O, sige, i-close ko na. Lagay mo dito yung mga pinag-anuhan mo, ha? Close mo maigi. Nagigising pa ako maaga bukas na kayo. Okay. Don't forget, ha? Or bababa ka na. Mag-toothbrush ka. Ito na lang i-leave natin. Open. Done ka na ba? O, sige na. Yeah. O, mag-text ka. O, sige, mag-good night ka sa mga fans ka. He's shy. See how tall he is now. He's my younger son, guys. So, we're going down. We're gonna serve the food. There. Because he forgot if he took his pill. Now, he cannot drink it without food or else his tummy will be in pain. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Hopefully, I can vlog. So, yeah, regarding the moon, I was about to capture it. have a clip, but the problem is it's not visible anymore at our parking lot. So hope you have also the view of the Strawberry Mountain tonight. Thank you for watching, thank you for being there, and for those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, guys, to our channel, please do subscribe to help me. Okay guys, till next time, ciao, good night from Maring Sarah here in Valley View, Alberta, Canada. Okay guys, let's serve my masterpiece to my husband. Here, baby. Looks good.
Wala pa si Cyrus.
Wala pa. Looks good?
Yeah.
He said it looks good. Love you guys.